Another day of being a broiler farmer. Today I've so far picked, now this is the fourth. It's the fourth, but it is the eighth one in this flock. And they're all coming from this cage. Life of a farmer. You know what? For God has not given me a spirit of timidness. God is within me. I will not fail. This day too shall pass. I wonder what's going on. I've given them medicine, but it's like their system is not accepting the medicine. The only thing that has changed from the practices that I've been doing is mixing my own feed. And I didn't buy the ingredients, I just bought the concentrate and the broken maize. I don't know, is it something in the broken maize? They're all coughing. From top to down, they're all coughing. And we can check on the old ones and see, because they're also having the same feed. Guys, I hope you're okay. Well, for me, I've been going through some days. I've been going through some days of CRD. I think you can hear the sound. He's wheezing, coughing. And bad loss. Today, I've lost so many chickens today. So far, I've lost 11 chicks. This ugly side of poultry farming. The dark side of poultry farming. You know, when things are too much for you, when you're like, it's too much for me, I just laugh because I have nothing to do. You literally have nothing to do because you've done it all. I've given doxin, I've given trimoxo, I've given vitamins, Dexa. Now I'm waiting for one more, for some more medicine, because I really don't know. Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel indeed, because I don't want to lose my buds. No, I don't want to lose my buds anymore. I've been going through this for some days, since Wednesday. Today is Friday. I've been going through CRD. This is the worst case I've ever encountered. But I know this too shall pass. This too shall pass. There is medicine in those drinkers. You know, you do what you can and you leave the rest to God. There is just too much flu and wheezing going on that even I myself feel like I have flu. I really don't have many words to say now. I don't have words to say because I'm still going through it. But if I find the perfect solution, I'll be sure to let you guys know. I'll be sure to let you guys know what I've used and what will help me.